Lift up your heart in faith, for God is ever nigh you, eager to bless His children, mindful of every child. Lift up your heart in prayer, for God is ever heed you. Seek Him in every sorrow, find Him in every need. Lift up your heart through tears of grief. He will give you peace and heal you. Lift up your heart in praise of Christ who has redeemed you. Praise His unfailing mercy, praise His unchanging love. Lift up your heart, for by His might He will guard your path and guide you. Lift up your heart unceasing, praising the Savior's name. Lift up your heart, for He has ransomed you. Lift up your heart, for He will succor you. Lift up your heart, for He has offered you a crown of everlasting life. A crown of